Hello everyone, this is Ashwin speaking on behalf of VisitTemples.com, and today I am going to take you all to one of the oldest temple that is dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Come, let's get into the video. We are going to see about a Vishnupad temple, which is one of the oldest Vishnu temple that is located in Gaya in the state of Bihar in India. This Vishnupad temple is built on the banks of river Paglu, and the most interesting fact of this temple is that there is a footprint of Lord Vishnu which has been incised into a block of basalt. One of the most unique and eye-catching aspect of this temple is that devotees visiting this temple can find a 50 kilogram gold flag that has been installed above Lord Vishnu's footprint. And this 50 kilogram gold flag was donated to this temple by a Vishnu devotee, Gayapal Pandabal Govind Sen. This Vishnupad temple is known as the center of Shraddha Rits in Gaya. The Brahmakalpit Brahmins, who are known as Gayawal Brahmins or Gayatri Purohit or Pandas of Gaya, are the traditional priests of this temple since ancient times. Legendary Hindu saints, namely Adi Shankaracharya, Ramanujacharya, Madhavacharya, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Vallabhacharya, Sri Ramakrishna has visited this beautiful temple many times. Now let's see about the history of this temple. Once a demon known as Gayasura did a heavy penance and sought a boon that whoever sees him would attain salvation or moksha. Since salvation is achieved through a righteous way in one's lifetime, people started obtaining it easily. To prevent the immoral people from attaining salvation, Lord Vishnu asked Gayasura to go beneath the earth and did so by placing his right foot on Asura's head. After pushing Gayasura below the surface of earth, Lord Vishnu's footprint remained on the surface even today. The footprint consists of 9 different symbols, including Shakyam, Chakram and Gadam. These are believed to be the weapons of Lord Vishnu. Gayasura is now pushed into the earth and pleaded for food. Lord Vishnu gave a boon that every day someone will offer him a food. Whoever does so will attain moksha. The origin of this temple is yet to be known, and it is believed that Lord Rama along with Sita visited this temple. The current temple structure was constructed by Ahalyabai Holkar, the ruler of Indore, in year 1787. Ahalyabai Holkar was a great architect. She crafted the miniature of this temple and asked her officer to construct this temple using Mongur black stone. This beautiful temple complex is 30 meters tall and has 8 rows of beautifully carved pillars. The Sanctum Sanctorum, consisting Lord Vishnu's footprint, is a pyramid shaped and is itself 100 feet tall. Holy tree of this temple is known as Immortal Banyan Tree. This is named as Akshayvat, where all final rituals of departed souls takes place. I hope this video was interesting and informative. Please do like, share and comment, and do not forget to hit the subscribe and bell button to get our divine updates instantaneously. Thank you. Have a great day.